Hi guys, and now I'm going to tell you about analog for Manfrotto 357 adapter with quick release plates, and this one is from, I think, Chinese manufacturer. It's Giottos 621, and it comes with a short quick release plates. It comes with a tool, and by appearance you cannot find much difference between original Manfrotto and between this Chinese adapter, except two holes. Here is holes and here is not. This adapter has two levels, so you can control your equipment. Also it comes with these bolts, and release plates comes with this screw. Visually, by touching it you can feel the difference in metal, but I think it's also okay. It's metal, it's not a plastic. The original Manfrotto quick release plates and these Chinese plates, they are very similar by width. So Manfrotto plates perfectly fits with this Chinese adapter, and these Chinese quick release plates perfectly fit Manfrottos. And as for me, it's a very good and cheap options if you want to upgrade your equipment, because this costs $35 and this cost me $25, so $60 for these two. And I bought this one in Ukraine for $55. So for one original Manfrotto adapter with quick release plates, you can buy this one full analog and also this base without quick release plates. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.